What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we are not in the CT4V or the CT5V. We are in our 2022 GMC Sierra AT4, the refreshed model. And this video is going to be basically covering how to use offline maps, Google Maps, to bypass the subscription service that GM has kind of put on us and they make you pay for. But this is pretty much going to be a workaround on how to get around it without using your data. Because if you use the Google Maps that come with the car, come with the truck, you wouldn't have to use your data. So this is going to be pretty much the equivalent, but let's get right into it. So first off, as you can see here, there is a message that comes up and says some map features don't work without a data plan. So as you can see, we can't really, do too much here without having that data plan. You can see there, this application requires a connected services subscription. So we'd have to get a plan to use this. But for the bypass, you're going to want to start with connecting either Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to your vehicle. And I will show you the next step. So just another thing to note, this will pretty much just show your straight route time with no traffic or any other live updates or any construction. It'll pretty much just show the straight time. So if you are wondering, you will need cellular data for that, but at least you can get to your destination using no data, and you can also have it on your vehicle's infotainment system, which is very, very nice. So for the next step, you want to open your phone and Google Maps, and then you are going to see here under your icon, when you click on your profile icon, you will see offline maps. So once you hit offline maps, you can then go to select your own map, and you can see it covers a huge area. So depending on where you're going to go, you can also zoom in, zoom out, depending on where you want to go. But let's just say I want this region here. I'll download and then download now. So you have to download it over a mobile network or Wi-Fi. So I'll use my data to download it. As you can see here, it doesn't take too long. And the nice thing is, you can use this without using your data or Wi-Fi. So it pretty much uses no cellular data at all. So as you can see, it downloaded right there, map 2. So now I will go and turn off my cellular right there. And my CarPlay is still connected, just to show you that I can use it on the vehicle. So we will then go to that area we selected. If I zoom out and go over to where we selected, right over here, and then just drop a pin somewhere. So I'll just drop a pin there and hit directions. So as you can see there, it has your offline map icon. If it focuses, you can see the offline map icon and how long it'll take, and then pretty much just hit start, and it will come up here if you hit Google Maps. And as I was saying, my cellular data is off, as you can see on my phone. So I have no cellular data, and it will let me go to my destination right to here. But you can see it shows unknown location because, again, we are offline, but it will still let you go to your spot. Another thing is, you can see on your phone here, just to show you how much it works, you can go to another location on the map that you didn't set, and you'll see it'll say offline, touch to retry. So you can see that this is out of my zone, and you can just download that zone if you wanted to go there. But this will pretty much be a workaround for the subscription service that comes on the truck. This does work with Apple Maps as well. I'm not sure about Waze, I haven't tried it, but it does work with Apple Maps if you do have an iPhone. But definitely Google Maps, because that does work on Apple and Android. But this will be your workaround for the subscription service on any of the new GM vehicles, the trucks, the refreshed vehicles. This is pretty much going to be your workaround. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please drop a like. Also, don't forget to comment down below on if this helped you and if it works, how much you like it. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.